Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add your JazzCash account to Payoneer. First, open the JazzCash app on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Log in using your PIN or biometric authentication. On the home screen, tap More at the bottom right. Under Money Transfer, tap the Payoneer option. The app will load the Payoneer integration page where you'll see two options: Link Account for an existing Payoneer account or New Payoneer account to create one. If you already have a Payoneer account, tap Link Account. You'll be redirected to the official Payoneer login page. Enter your registered email or username and password, then tap Sign In. If two-step verification is enabled, approve the login via the Payoneer app or enter the SMS verification code. Once confirmed, your Payoneer account will be successfully linked to JazzCash. Now you can withdraw your Payoneer funds directly to JazzCash quickly and securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides.